To fully harness the potential of ChatGPT in your marketing campaigns, it's crucial to measure its impact and continuously refine your strategies. In this final section, we will cover setting up key performance indicators, KPIs, using A/B testing to evaluate AI-generated content, and identifying areas for improvement to optimize your AI-driven marketing strategies. Setting up KPIs to measure ChatGPT's impact. Establish KPIs to gauge the effectiveness of your ChatGPT-generated content in achieving your marketing objectives. Some important metrics to consider include engagement rates, clicks, likes, shares, conversion rates, time spent on page, and search engine rankings. Tracking these KPIs over time will help you quantify the value of incorporating ChatGPT into your marketing efforts and guide data-driven decision-making. Using A/B testing to evaluate AI-generated content. A/B testing is a powerful method to assess the performance of different content variations. Create 2 or more versions of your ChatGPT-generated headlines, ad copy, or social media posts, and test them against each other to determine which resonates best with your target audience. Analyze the results to identify the most effective content and use this insight to refine your AI-driven strategies. Identifying areas for improvement and optimizing your AI-driven strategies. Regularly review your ChatGPT performance data and KPIs to identify areas where the AI-generated content may be underperforming or not meeting your expectations. Consider revisiting your prompts, fine-tuning your model, or making adjustments to your content strategy based on these insights. Continuously iterating on your AI-driven marketing strategies will ensure that you consistently improve and drive better results. Staying up to date with ChatGPT advancements and incorporating new features. As AI technology advances, new features and capabilities may become available in ChatGPT. Stay informed about these developments and be proactive in incorporating them into your marketing strategies. Adapting to the latest AI advancements will help you maintain a competitive edge and maximize the potential of ChatGPT in your campaigns. In conclusion, by understanding how to set up, utilize, and optimize ChatGPT for your marketing efforts, you can revolutionize your content creation process, improve personalization, and achieve better results than ever before. Remember that the key to success with AI-driven marketing is continuous learning, experimentation, and adaptation. Embrace the potential of ChatGPT, and you'll be well on your way to a more efficient, engaging, and successful marketing future.